Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable GA4 to track organic search conversions, detailed guide step by step clearly. First, log into your Google Analytics account. Select the property for which you want to enable GA4 tracking. Click on the admin gear icon in the lower left corner. In the property column, click on Data Streams. Choose the data stream associated. Scroll down to find the Enhanced Measurement section. Ensure the Toggle for Page Views is enabled. Next, look for the Conversions section in the Admin panel. Click on Events under the Property column. Check if the conversion tracking is already set for organic search. If not, click on Create Event. Fill in the necessary details for the new event. For the event name, you might use something like organic_search_conversion. Define the parameters that identify an organic search conversion. Set the condition based on the source of traffic being organic. Save your new event. Next, navigate back to the Conversions section. Click on New Conversion Event. Input the name of the event you just created. Save your settings to finalize the conversion event. Move to your website and verify the GA4 tracking code is implemented correctly. You can use Google Tag Assistant to ensure the correct data is being sent. Visit your site through an organic search and complete a conversion action. Return to Google Analytics and check the real-time report. Confirm that your test conversion is recorded as expected. After confirmation, your setup for tracking organic search conversions is complete. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.